Here's a fun little exercise. I'm going to grab my magic wand tool. It's right here. Its shortcut key is W. In the options bar, the tolerance is set to 32. I'm going to click inside the balloon and it will select 32 variations of that color I selected on. If I hold my Shift key down, you'll see that there's a little plus that appears by the cursor. If you look up in the options bar, you'll see that it has changed to the plus or add icon. So I'll click again to keep adding more of the balloon into the selection. Now I've got all of the balloon selected except for the little piece at the bottom. I'll click there to add that. Whoops, it looks like I selected too much, and if that happens to you, Command or Control Z will undo what you just did. In Photoshop, you select something and then you do something to it. So let's go down into the bottom of the Layers palette and you'll see a half white, half black circle. That's for adjustment layers. Let's choose a hue saturation adjustment layer. See there? A new layer has been added, a hue saturation adjustment layer. It has a mask. Notice that the balloon shape is in white and the rest is black. We'll learn more about masks in coming lessons. Let's drag that hue slider now and change the balloon to a totally different color.